Alright, my friends, so we got everything seam sealed under here on the Camaro. It's been pressure washed, degreased. We're ready to shoot some underbody coating. Let's see how it turns out. So what I have here is an underbody coating spray gun. This one, I believe I bought it from Eastwood years back. Obviously they sell the whole kit with the product of the cans that you're supposed to spray with this. I'm out of any or all of those. So what I'm going to use is this Snapple, I think, or one of them Sobe drink cans here. The cap for that fits exactly inside of this gun, and that canister will screw to that, and we should be able to shoot whatever we need out of here. Obviously, I'm going to be doing truck bed coating, shooting out of there. Let's see how that works. I was able to finish undercoating this vehicle using the truck bed coating and some Rust-Oleum gloss black mixed in with the gun. And it actually came out real nice. I'm totally happy with the results. Laid out nice. I did do the complete vehicle underneath, as you can see. Everything coated perfectly, just as I had hoped. So like I said, I'm totally happy with this. Of course, these fender edges will be fixed once we do the body work. But I'm totally happy how this undercoating turned out. So this is what I actually used for the undercoating. I had a Rust-Oleum. This is like a truck bed liner. It's a non-skid type, so it's got some sand or what have you in it. And I mixed in a quart of Rust-Oleum gloss black. Just because when this stuff by itself, when it dries, it's kind of dull. It's not as glossy, so I wanted some gloss to it. And this helped out quite a bit, and it does thin that out also. I'd say I've used probably about 3/4 of a gallon. This is a leftover I had. I completely did a truck bed with it. And then, like I said, I've mixed in a quart of black gloss, and I used this Eastwood style underbody coating gun. I was able to get a cap of like a Sobe or a Gatorade bottle, and which worked out perfectly. So I'm totally happy with the results. I'll put some of that stuff in the description if that's what you're looking to do. I love how it dries out. The gun shoots perfect with that stuff. I thank you for watching.